Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you guys have one of those, you're trying to find where the fuse for the engine starter solenoid is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money on parts and problems that do not exist practically. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So if your Ford Mustang does not start guys, okay, always check that fuse. We have specifically the 5.0 2018 GT Mustang, but even if you have the 2.3 4-cylinder EcoBoost or V8 5.0, it should work about the same for that specific fuse. We're going to go ahead, open, support the hood here specifically, and if you come right there now, okay, let us show you where that fuse will be located. In that fuse box right here, we're going to go ahead, open by pressing this thing in and pulling it out. So here now, the fuse numbers, okay, and the layout corresponds to what we have specifically right here. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. We're guys going to be working in that fuse panel right here of 12 fuses, okay, right here. That's the one that will be working here guys, you can see. Now those fuses, some of those could be really expensive, and the relays, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them from at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. So if you come right here, the fuse that we have will be, okay, fuse number 30 that we need to check for the engine starter. So that will be the third fuse in the middle row. 1, even if you have a missing one you count it, 2, 3. That 30 amp fuse, that's the engine starter solenoid fuse guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find it. Thank you for watching, see you next time.